Good afternoon. Welcome aboard. How are you today?
Hi. I'm okay, but honestly, I'm a little nervous. This is my first time flying.
Oh, I understand. Flying for the first time can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, we're here to help. Is there anything I can assist you with?
Yes, actually. Where do I put my carry-on bag?
You can place it in the overhead compartment above your seat or under the seat in front of you. Let me help you with that. Puts the bag in the overhead bin.
Thank you so much. And my seatbelt. How do I fasten it?
It's easy. Just take this metal end and click it into the buckle. To tighten it, pull on this strap. And to release it, lift this flap.
Got it. Thanks for showing me.
You're welcome. Would you like to know what to expect during the flight?
Yes, please. That would help a lot.
Sure. Once we take off, we'll reach a cruising altitude and things will smooth out. During the flight, we'll serve snacks and drinks. And don't worry, if you feel any discomfort, like your ears popping, you can chew gum or swallow to relieve the pressure.
Oh, I was worried about the ear popping thing. Thanks for the tip. Also, what if I need to use the restroom?
The restrooms are located at the front and back of the plane. Just wait for the seatbelt sign to turn off and you're free to move around.
Okay, that's good to know. And what about the air? Will it feel different up here?
The air can be drier than on the ground, so it's a good idea to stay hydrated. We'll come around with water during the flight.
Thank you. You've been so kind. One more question. What happens if there's turbulence?
That's a great question. Turbulence is normal. It's like bumps on the road. If it happens, just stay seated with your seatbelt fastened. The captain and crew are trained to handle it safely.
That's reassuring. I guess I'm just overthinking.
That's completely normal for a first-time flyer. You'll feel more confident after this flight, I promise.
I hope so. Oh, and how do I know when to get off the plane?
Once we land, the seatbelt sign will turn off and the crew will announce when it's time to deplane. Just follow the other passengers to the exit.
Okay, that sounds simple enough. Thank you for being so helpful.
It's my pleasure. If you need anything else during the flight, just press the call button above your seat.
Will do. Thank you, Emily. You've made me feel so much better.
I'm glad to hear that. Enjoy your flight, Sophia.